Hi investors, it's Marcia from Bookworm Investment Club, and I am the creator and the founder of Bookworm. It is where I teach women who are nearing retirement how to build more wealth by investing in the stock market, building a profitable stock portfolio, so that when you get to the point where you're in retirement, you're going to have an extra income coming in to take care of things like hobbies, interests, your grandkids, whatever makes you happy, what brings you joy. You'll be able to have some funds to do that. So this is the end of another year, another decade, and this is going to be the last stock nugget of the year. And I thought I'd talk about my worst performing stock in my portfolio. Now, the stock market has done very well this year. We're up to, the return is about 31%. My portfolio has also done well. Very pleased with it. But there has also been some missteps that I have made when managing my portfolio. And look, I'm not about to sit up here and say that I've done a perfect job, because I haven't. But I learned from the missteps that I have taken. And so I'm going to share that with you. So let's take a look at the stock that was the worst performing stock in my portfolio. And the name of that stock is, flip it over, Aurora Cannabis Inc. The ticker symbol is ACB. Let's talk about what happened to Aurora and how I reacted to it. Now, the first thing is that I became very enamored with this new and upcoming industry, this marijuana industry, this cannabis industry. And I decided, I know it's new, but I still want to invest in it. And so I did my research. That's the thing about it. I did do the research, and out of the companies that I researched, I decided that I wanted to invest in a company that actually grew the plant, and made a choice to buy Aurora Cannabis, and jumped in both feet. Once I jumped in, it got up there a little bit. I was like, okay, we're doing good. And then all of a sudden, the stock price started to decline. And I was still very hopeful and didn't really want to get out. So I kind of watched it and said, it's going to turn around. And it didn't. In fact, I didn't get out of that stock until I lost about 50% of the stock price. That's not good. So let's talk about the lesson that Marcia learned as a result of this. Now, I have an investment plan. I have notebooks full of my investment plan. I have my investment plan up here. And even though I have an investment plan, I didn't quite follow it. So that was the first thing. And in that plan, even though the analysis was saying don't buy this, I chose to ignore that. And because I chose to ignore it, this was the result. So the first thing I want to tell you is that when we start to invest in the stock market, we need to have a plan. We need to have criteria that we're going to follow in order to buy a certain stock. The other thing is that if we see that a stock is losing its value and it continues to lose its value over 3 quarters, something's going on with the stock, and it may be time to think about just letting go. There are plenty of stocks out there. And so I didn't do that either. So that's my lesson. One, you have an investment plan. And the other thing is that even though I have the investment plan written in notebooks and up here, what I'm going to do this year or next year is I'm going to pull those notes together, put it on a nice Google Doc, and say, this is your investment plan. Be able to print it out so I can see it and be able to follow that plan. Now, there may be some deviations, but the goal is to follow the investment plan. Yes? Yes. So that's my lesson. That's my stock. If you want to build a profitable stock portfolio and build an investment plan, I'd like to help you do that. Go to bookworminvestmentclub.com, hit book a call, and we can talk about the Stock Starter course, which is my signature program that will help you to build your profitable stock portfolio. We're going to start in January. So book a call and we can talk and see if we can help you build that profitable stock portfolio and that investment plan to go along with that. Okay? All right. Have a good night, and we'll hopefully talk soon. Bye.